Again, another box of happy posts for me. Like I said, first time in a while I've been able to do something like this, so I wanted to show you all the pretties. And this is a box from Little Gems Ribbons and Resins, and as you can see, there's resins, there's the ribbon, and I got so many colours of, she did a deal last week, she had all the ribbon on half price, so normally this cord ribbon is £2, but in the deal I got it for £1 each instead. And again, these foils are normally about, I can't remember off the top of my head, but they're normally more expensive, and I got them for half price. And the same with these amazing ones. So this one is like a, you won't be able to see it in the package, let me see if I can undo it for you. It's like a double-sided glitter. I can get in. Gemma's sealed these very well this week. She normally opens Monday to Wednesday as well in her Facebook group, and I'll put the link in the description box below for you. So let's bring them up so you can see. Can you see the glitter on the castles? And again, this deal bundle was half price last week. But she normally does really pretty cute bundles like this on a regular basis, always for reasonable amounts anyway. So these are super pretty. Like I said, they've got four different colours. And again, they're so cute. So I've got an idea for those. I got this pack of resins, and again, she does deals on these kind of things. You all know my hoarder tendencies and the fact that I have no impulse control, so these things don't help. But I do believe this was a deal, and I think it was £3 for 10. Something along those lines. And as you can see, they're cute Christmas based. Obviously, just so you know, the red-nosed reindeer ones, do keep them for personal use because there is copyright law on Rudolph, just in case you don't know. But my nieces wanted Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer ones, so they will be getting those ones themselves. But like I said, have a look into it yourself, because like I said, there is copyright laws regarding the image, the red nose, and the name Rudolph. So like I said, just be careful with those ones. So those ones will be my personal ones for my 3 nieces, so they'll go out of the way. But they're still brilliant deals. They're so cute, look. I love the little penguin one. And the deer one here. And the little Santa Claus one. So cute. Like I said, I've got so many new colours of the cord. So I've got this like rust and the mustardy colour. And I do love mustard colours for fall. And like I said, cord is such a like fall, winter material. I've got this brown tone and this like burgundy. It's harder to see on camera, but it does look different from that. Can you see how bright that is in comparison? So like I said, those are really nice. And then I've got these blue toned ones. Because again, I wanted a nice theme. So I've got these ones like mint and blue. And I'll just show you these last 2 colours, and then I will tidy my desk up. Look how pretty those blues are. And then I'm just going to show you the foil, because like I said, these are so pretty. And I think I got a stars set, so this is like rainbow stars. So can you see the foils? So I got that top colour there, and then I got the more blue and purpley version. And again, I believe this, I think she did like a group together. So again, that's like a more orangey yellow tone. That's like a more purpley pinky version of the same one. And then obviously that's like a watermelon-y foil one. And then a more like orange tone rainbowy galaxy one. But like I said, how pretty are those? I'm going to have great fun playing with those. They're all 1.5 inch ribbons as well, because like I said, that's my favourite one to work with. And then look at these ones. I love stars and moons. And again, this was a grouping of these foil ribbons. So again, I've got a couple of colours. I've got the blue. I've got the purpley blue like galaxy. And then I got this, like, it's like the pearlescent ribbon that I've showed you before, but it's got like a satin band in it. So I got those 3 because, like I said, I like the look of those ones. So like I said, they're the 2 foil effects, and that's the like pearlescent ribbon with the satin centre. And like I said, I thought that'd be really pretty on like a boutique style bow. So I've got a couple of those in mind for my tutorials, so that's what I'm planning with those. And then this is the last set of the foil ones, and these are like, those are like holographic foils on top. These are like the foil effects actually like built into the ribbon. So I got 2 of these, and I got like the rainbow one and then like the pastel rainbow version. And these are like really quite thick material, so I think I'd probably be able to make boutique shapes without doubling them up. But again, look at that gold in those. So, like I said, that's Little Gems Ribbons and Resins. I'll put the link in the description below. Do remember she only opens Wednesday to Saturday for order taking on her Facebook page. And I will link that for you. There we go. So, I'll speak to you all soon, and hopefully you found that really interesting, because like I said, I just like showing off all my pretties. Speak to you all soon. Bye.